There are many more types of objects than just integers. The Boolean type is a completely separate type and it has its own properties. Now, with Booleans, there are exactly two distinct objects, true and false. So this is unlike integers where there are an infinite amount of integers that exist. For Booleans, there's only two values, true and false. So formally, the type is bool, as we'll see here. And again, to do that, you use the type function. So I'm just going to write out the type function, open up my parentheses, and then pass in one of these two values, true or false. So if I execute this cell, I will see that it does return bool, which is just short for Boolean. So that is the formal type. If I do false, it'll show the same thing as bool. So those are the only two objects that will evaluate as bool for the type function. So we've seen them in the comparison operators, and we'll see Booleans again when we get to conditional statements such as if-else statements. For now, it's good to know that Booleans they're actually treated as integers in arithmetic operations. So this is really kind of bizarre when you're seeing it for the first time, but true evaluates as 1. True is the same thing as 1, and false is the same thing as 0 in Python. And you can verify this. You can say, all right, let's do 4 times true. This looks very strange, but this is the same thing as writing 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. If you do 99 times false, false evaluates as 0, so 99 times 0 is just 0. You can do false plus true. Anywhere where there's arithmetic operations, Booleans can be used, and their values 0 and 1 will just replace them in that operation. So here 0 plus 1 is just 1. Okay, so that is an introduction to the Boolean type, which Python has written as bool.